Putter. 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 Hey. You want nose spray? You want some nose spray?
Today you're just not doing the science the way I would want you to do the science. Read. Keep that back straight. Keep that mind very clear. I'm going to fail this test. I'm going to fail the study. And understanding everything. Why would you fail this test? It's not hard. If you've never studied this test, that's nonsense. This time you're going to remember everything you read.
Putter. Come on, you want some nose spray? Here. Come here. Here. Nose spray? Come here.
You're welcome.
Here. You want it? You want it?
That was like the longest.
You want it? Come here. You want it?
Frustrating. Starting with him.
Putter.
I'd rather have a tutor.
You want nose spray?
I need to do
Nose spray? Nice. Thanks, Putter. Thank you. Right on the carpet. Everybody wants to come over now. Come here, Putter. Nose spray? Nose spray? Nose spray, Putter? Putter. Nose spray? You want it? Here. Here. Don't stop. Nose spray? Here. 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 Putter, nose spray? Here. Here. Nose spray? Nose spray? Come here, Putter. Oh, some nose spray? Nose spray. Here you go. Take it. You want it? Or you want to drag your butt on the floor? Thank you. Nose spray? Putter, nose spray?
Dirty mouth, huh? What have you been up to?
Nose spray?